Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Croatian Prime Minister Andrej Plenković have held joint address in Zagreb following the delegation-level talks and agreements signed between the two countries. The Prime Minister then called the day an important milestone in the bilateral relations. Let's now listen in.
मुझे बहुत प्रसन्नता है कि जागरेब के इस सुंदर शहर में मुझे आने का अवसर मिला। भले ही यात्रा छोटी है, लेकिन इस दौरान मुझे आपके शहर की संस्कृति, जीवन शैली और यहाँ के लोगों की गर्मजोशी का सुंदर अनुभव हुआ। यह मुझे एक अपनेपन का एहसास हुआ। इन सभी तैयारियों के लिए और आत्मीय स्वागत के लिए मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी और उनकी टीम का हार्दिक धन्यवाद करता हूं। आज का दिन हमारे द्विपक्षीय संबंधों में एक अहम पड़ाव है। हमने बहुत से ऐसे महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय लिए हैं जो भारत और क्रोएशिया की साझेदारी को और मजबूत करेंगे और नए क्षेत्रों में मिलकर काम करने के रास्ते खोलेंगे। आइए हम सब मिलकर प्रधानमंत्री जी के उत्तम स्वास्थ्य के लिए हमारे दोनों देशों के बीच घनिष्ठ मित्रता को और सुदृढ़ करने के लिए और हमारे लोगों की निरंतर प्रगति और समृद्धि के लिए शुभकामनाएं व्यक्त करें।
All right. In fact, we have just heard a statement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his Croatia visit and on the milestone that this visit has been for both the nations, while it has strengthened the ties in many areas across the energy, technology, agriculture as well. Mehendee, what are you picking up as far as these avenues working together for both the leaders in Croatia and New Delhi is concerned?
Well, Simran, Prime Minister Modi held productive discussions with Prime Minister Andrej Plenković in Zagreb, and we just heard Prime Minister Modi's statement that he welcomes Croatia's friendship in the upcoming years as well. And talking about Prime Minister Modi, then taking to his X platform as well, he mentioned that how the talks focused on enhancing bilateral cooperation across key sectors, including defense and security, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, information technology, and renewable energy as well. So these were the key focus areas of the high-level delegation talks that happened between both the counterparts, and also the two leaders explored synergies in areas such as semiconductors, shipbuilding, connectivity, people-to-people ties, and more as well. So indeed, it was a fruitful high delegation meets that happened. And Prime Minister Modi also extended his greetings and said that he's happy that he got the opportunity to, visit Zagreb and visit Croatia as the first Indian Prime Minister to visit the country. And also he said that how this visit was important. Indeed, it was a small visit, but the experience that Prime Minister Modi expressed in his speech as well, and the city's culture that he appreciated as well was a much more. And he also
All right.
appreciated
In fact,
the
Mehendee,
people's
continue to
lifestyle.
be with us. What we are